Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video because I am going to be reviewing some press-on nails from Beyond Fleek. So Beyond Fleek released their press-on lines called O Press-ons, and I had to jump straight on this trade because let me tell you, these nails are so lit. I'm just going to include the clips of them here for you to see exactly what they look like. These nails are customizable and reusable, and you can just choose whatever design you want, whatever you like. If you like bright colors, loud colors, bling, nail arts, stickers, like literally anything you want, she can do it for you. And I decided to do something more simple because I wanted to use them for work. And I chose my design, which I will include now for you guys to see. Now, my overall first impression of these nails they were amazing. The quality is like acrylics before you get them laid onto your hand, but it's already designed, already completed. And the package comes with a nail file, a glue, a buffer, and one of those wooden stick things that you can like clean your nails with and all that good stuff. I will also include footage of that here for you to see the whole package. Yo, when I received this kit, I was really happy with what I got. It was simple packaging, but nice, neat, and crisp. Like, you could not get any better than that. Like, it also includes a little instruction card in case you've never put on press-ons before. You know exactly what you do, so you don't have to stress yourself out. Go and look up a million and one things because everything is already in the package for you. Now, let's talk about delivery. I placed my order on a Friday and my nails got delivered on a Monday. These nails came from South Trinidad. I live in East Trinidad, and if you're familiar with courier services or even TT Post, you know that let's say that is one business day, maybe, because a weekend is in between that and nobody really delivers on a weekend unless it's private. I would say I got my package very quickly. And yeah, and it came straight to my door. I didn't have to go anywhere. I didn't really have to do much. I just had to walk outside and collect my package. So this service definitely got 10 out of 10 for delivery for me because it was quick, it was speedy. You know, the courier was nice. All you have to do is answer the call, give them direction, and it comes straight to your door. It does not get better than that. And I want to speak a bit about the ordering service. Now, the owner is Aisha. I must admit, I must put this in here. Aisha has been my friend for the last 4 to 5 years, because I know her from university, and experiencing her in a business light was very refreshing, and I'm extremely proud of her because her level of professionalism is like out of this world. I can't even compare her to anything because she's very professional. She's about her business. She knows exactly what her products are, and she's willing to help you every step of the way. Any question you have, she answers. She's nice. She's not rude at all, and I highly recommend her. So she definitely gets 10 out of 10 for customer experience, customer relations, and all of that. Friendship aside, just on a business level, she gets 10 out of 10. Now, I'm going to go into the actual application of these nails. Press-on nails aren't very difficult to apply, and the package does come with an instruction card just in case, you know, you're not familiar with how to do it. Don't worry, it's covered. Just follow the instructions. Like, you literally can't mess it up. The application took me about 30 minutes, maybe less than 30 minutes to apply. And it was smooth, it was simple. You know, you do it on clean nails. You do your little buffing, your little, you take whatever nastiness out of your nails, you take that off. You put the glue, you put the nail, and it does not get easier than that. If you need extra help, you know, you could always look up a YouTube video to help you because there's an abundance of information out there on nails, so don't stress yourself. Application also gets a 10 out of 10 because it was very simple, and the instruction card made it very easy to follow as well. Overall impressions of these nails are that they are lovely. The only thing though, because I work in a very fast-paced environment, I am in and out of a vehicle all the time, I'm lifting up stuff, resting down stuff, signing stuff constantly, I wouldn't recommend them if you work or if you're constantly in a fast-paced environment where you need to be using your hands frequently, because these are not acrylics. They're not like done professionally on your finger. It's just glue holding the nail to your nail. So any little thing that gets underneath or hooks it, it will come off. And I experienced that while I was on work. So I will definitely be using these again because I just absolutely love the design. Like, it can go with literally anything, and that's why I chose it. And I'm so glad these were customizable because you could just send her whatever you want and she can create it. And I will definitely be using them for more casual events, a dinner, a lime, or something small and low-key like that, where it's not a high intense fast-paced environment. These nails will be perfect for, like absolutely perfect for. And they make your hands look so nice and neat, and that's what I love about them, because as you can see, like, I have stubs, guys, and when I put these nails on, I felt like that girl. It looked amazing. Like, it really looked amazing. So my overall experience would be a 9 out of 10, only because they can't really hold up in a fast-paced environment where you need to be using your hands constantly. Other than that, they look great. They're so easy to apply. They're reusable. Like, did I even mention that enough? Like, they're reusable. If you use it for one thing, you can take them off, clean your nails, and then use them again for another thing. And people would never know because they look so neat and so sleek. So sleek. I need to emphasize that because they look great. And I definitely recommend Press-Ons and Beyond Fleek for their service because it is unlike any other. I will be linking all the information for Press-Ons and Beyond Fleek in my description box, so please check it out and go follow her on Instagram, follow her on Facebook, see all her amazing stuff that she does, because she doesn't just do nails, she does other things as well, and they're all of great quality. And I highly recommend you going and purchasing at least one thing because you will not regret it at all. If you haven't already, please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will have my latest videos somewhere in the cards for you to view or at the end of this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Go follow Press-Ons on Instagram and also me on Instagram, because why not? You're already going to be there. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!